The people that make up NASCAR are world-class professionals. They demand high performance out of all they do. Everything about them exudes the best. Best time, best tools, best talent. SPARTACOTE coating systems are also high performance, the professional equivalent within the concrete coatings industry. So when it came time to retrofit the existing race car garage spaces inside the Texas Motor Speedway, SPARTACOTE by LATICRETE International was the best choice. Texas-based Intertech Flooring was the specialized coatings installer handpicked to apply these high-performance coatings. Given the time and scope, it would prove challenging. However, given their flooring experience and their coatings expertise specifically, they were ready to take it on. The crew began by mechanically profiling the concrete surface to an iCry CSP2. Concrete surface prep is vital to ensure a proper bond between the new SPARTACOTE coating and the existing concrete. After the surface prep was complete, the crew began mixing the SPARTACOTE medium gray base primer coat for the garage spaces. They then applied ribbons of medium gray material onto the prepared surface and immediately began sweeping it over the surface with a SPARTACOTE broom. Next, they followed the broom with an immediate back roll to ensure proper mill thickness and adhesion. The Intertech crew continued in this working rhythm until all 22,000 square feet of commercial garage space was completed. After the medium gray base coat cured, it is time for the black pigment coat to work as the base primer for the metallic coating. Before applying the black base coat, the crew applies blue painter's tape to the new coating to prepare for line striping. Pour the black pigment bottle into SPARTACOTE Flex SB Part A. Mix thoroughly for 2 minutes with a slow-speed drill. Once the pigmented material has fully dispersed, mix Part A with SPARTACOTE Flex SB Part B in a separate container. Mix for 2 minutes with a slow-speed drill. Then, once mixing is complete, the crew applies a ribbon of the black base coat of SPARTACOTE material to the surface. Using a SPARTACOTE broom, they broomed the material out onto the surface, spreading it evenly. Immediately following the broom, the crew back-rolled the SPARTACOTE material using a roller. Additional ribbons of material should be poured into the existing ribbons before it runs dry. Always maintain the wet edge. Base coat cured, the crew applied blue painter's tape to the new coating to prepare the lines for striping and logos. After the lines were taped out and applied, they could now begin mixing the safety yellow line striping material. The crew mixes the safety yellow pigment bottle into Part A of the SPARTACOTE Flex short-filled bottle, and then mixes the Part A with the Part B thoroughly for 2 minutes. Next, the crew applied ribbons of safety yellow material into the blue tape areas and immediately began spreading it within the boxed lines. With the safety areas in place and after they cure, it is now time to start on the metallic coating areas. To begin, the crew mixed the metallic pigment with the Part A thoroughly. In a separate container, and once the pigmented metallic material has fully dispersed, mix pigmented Part A with SPARTACOTE Flex SB Part B. Mix for 2 minutes with a slow-speed drill. Apply mixed metallic material over the black base coat at 100 square feet per gallon. Spread pigmented material around the floor using a SPARTACOTE broom or saturated roller in a manner that achieves the desired effect. While the metallic coating is still wet, it may be spritzed with denatured alcohol or solvent to create 3D effects. The last step in SPARTACOTE metallic coating systems is a clear top coat. Mix SPARTACOTE Flex SB Part A clear with SPARTACOTE Flex SB Part B. Mix for 2 minutes with a slow-speed drill. After mixing, the crew poured out a ribbon of clear material onto the metallic pigment and spread it using a SPARTACOTE broom. Immediately following the broom, they back-rolled the wet resin in a perpendicular fashion. Once the metallic areas have cured, the team is ready to apply the Texas Motor Speedway logos to the surface. After cleaning the surface of debris, the logo is set directly on the floor and aligned to the proper placement. Once in place, the installers removed the backing and stuck the logo to the floor. A small plastic cart is used to purge any small air bubbles that may have gathered under the logo. Once in place, the installers clear any remaining residue from the graphic itself and applied a thin layer of SPARTACOTE Flex Pure over the top of the logo. Flex Pure is used due to the fact that it does not contain any solvents, which could potentially damage the coloring on the logo itself. The last step in the project is applying a clear top coat to the entire surface. Mix SPARTACOTE Flex SB Part A clear with SPARTACOTE Flex SB Part B. After mixing, the team poured out ribbons of clear material onto the metallic pigment coat at 300 square feet per gallon using a SPARTACOTE broom. They then back-rolled the material into place. SPARTACOTE decorative coatings give you tough, durable, and beautiful floors with fast return to service. Imagine your car, plane, boat, or man cave garage finished with the best high-performance NASCAR-grade resinous systems money can buy. Contact your local SPARTACOTE coatings expert to discuss your next project today. Find one near you at LATICRETE.com.